Hello, welcome back once again. The name still remember Opetech TV. Today I'm so excited for me giving you such a platform which give you free TRS, and this is very legit. This website works for almost 5 years now and it is still there. This website is paying, like, it's just for free. You earn your daily tax, you refer people and earn more. And this website is just for you doing nothing. It's just for you to only activate with only one TRS and more. So one TRS is equivalent to somewhere 30% or so. Is it even up to 30%? So this website is just paying. It's real. The only thing is they'll pick your money, use it to work, and give you your commission. Like you putting the money in the bank. So if you activate with your one TRS, boom, you are gone. Now let's jump into this. For us not to waste time, if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, move it to all, and join this family, because we all know that we learn how to make money online in this platform and other internet programs. So anything you want, just hit it in the comment section. Put it in the comment section, like this video, share it, and to go viral. So if you know you're also an old member, just give this video a thumbs up, and I really recommend your comment a lot. Just put your comment in the comment section and let's move on. Boom, you are done. You start to make your money. Any video in this channel is all talking about how to make money and your internet problems. So anything you are just finding difficult, just hit it in the comment section. All time I'm always available, checking in all the comment and replying all. So people who are also there and they also have knowledge about it are also replying. So I'm not the only person managing this channel. We are two people. So the other one is official Pastor Elijah TV, and I'm Gope Tech. So I own this channel, but my manager himself is the official Pastor Elijah. So we are all going through monitoring. We are only going through to check all the comments. So for us not to make this video long and to keep long, let's jump into this. So just take in the description, there is a link there. Use the link and it will move you to the registration form. So this is how it will look like when you finish registering. So let me open my own and we'll all move together. So I'll show you the petty things of this website. And I'm going to redraw live here, and you all see that this website is very legit and it is true of what I'm talking about. This is very good and reliable platform. We have types of website like this that are scamming. I fall into scam victims more than I lost almost $100 just to find a good website for my viewers and subscribers to watch. Please, you people, to help this video to go viral. Let's get more subscribers. Our subscribers are still low, our viewers are low. Please, the channel is still low. Please, let's all help and grow this channel together, please. So when you go to the sign up, this is how it will look like. This is how the form will look like. You put your number, your login password, and your security password. So you can use one password for all, just to remember things. Automatically the invitation code will be in this invite code place, and this is the captcha. You just type in, attach here, boom, you just type in this sign up, and you'll be successful created. So I already have account, I'll log in. So when you log into your account, this is how the dashboard of this website will look like as my own is. You see it, I already invested to activate this account, and I draw many times. I'm going to make a withdrawal here again, so for you to see. We are only here to see. This is how the website is. When you finish creating like this, just deposit a minimum now. So just type on this deposit, and let me show you the minimum amount of depositing. This website is just, we have the basic account and the promotion account. The promotion account is when you refer people to join and you earn a commission from there, is the promotion account. So this promotion account, for that one, when you get money there can be withdrawn. But in this basic account are the amount that they give to you for you to use for your trading. So this is how it is. So you type on this basic account, that is where you are going to like put your money in. So you just copy this address, go to your Trust Wallet or any. So they said the minimum TRS investment is 5 TRS. It's like the SCT, so 5 to 10 minutes this will reach. So first when I registered it was 1. I don't know whether they make changes it is now 5 TRS. Even 5 TRS is not up to 1 cedi. So just go into your Trust wallet or your Binance wallet and deposit this 5 TRS or more. So I deposited 50 TRS and 40 TRS, and I withdraw and remain this. So we are going to make a live withdrawal here. So when you deposit and you want to withdraw your daily withdrawal, you go to withdrawal. So now when you go to withdrawal, because I deposited 40, they give me the daily withdrawal limit of 1.24 TRS. So I can withdraw 1.24 TRS daily. So I'll go to my Trust wallet, copy my TRS link, address, and just can paste it and withdraw this, and we'll all see it live. So this is going to be live withdrawal, which shows that this website is very legit. This website, if you know you have more money, just invest in it and hit me up for more, and I'll give you more website that earn it. So if you know this is not also recommended to what you are looking for, you want to earn free money, just hit me in the comment section. Anything you want, just put it in the comment section. I'll reply to you and I'll make a video that you want. So let me copy my TRS wallet. This is my TRS. So this is the TRS, and so I'm to receive. So I'll go to receive and copy my TRS wallet now and go to the website. Now paste it here, paste it at this address site. Now input my amount I want to withdraw. So because I've been withdrawing, it is already there. So you see the amount. I'll just paste this wallet and type in confirm. Submit, successful. This withdrawal has been done. So you see that the money has reduced to 32 days. So the money is gone. Let's go to our Trust wallet and check whether the money has arrived. Now let's see whether this money has arrived. You see it, transfer from this 1.24 TRS. So today we just received the money. You see it, the money is in. You see my Trust account has even increased. You see it. So that's how it is. So go back to this website. Let me show you more how you can earn. Now we have these things here. Now when you come down here, we have home, trading, investment, share, and mine. So these are what we are going to use for now. Now what you need to do is type on this trading and read what is this trading about. If you want to earn huge, I'm going to teach you things there that you can make more money from. Now they say cloud mining is working. So this is how it is. This amount of TRS, let's say receive. If you want to receive it, you type in this receive. They'll show you how you are going to receive this money. There are tasks that they will ask you to do to receive this money. So just type on it. It's like my network is slowing here. So when you move it to the trading, they'll give you this for the days you withdraw. So any day you withdraw, they'll give you a commission of what you make to increase your basic wallet. So you receive all this. You see this one, first one receive it, this one receive it. And I receive all this. That is why you see that my balance I have withdrawn, but yet the balance has increased. I'm having 24,841.27 TRS. But when you register or you create an account, they'll give you 20,000 TRS. So now they now added 4,841 into my account. So when you just deposit any limit amount of from 5 TRS going, you can receiving that one every day. So that's it. Now let's go to the referral part. Now go to share. Now when you go to share, this referral part, any amount you earn from your referral can be withdrawn that particular day. So you just type on this like this, copy your link, go and share it to your friends. Anytime that a friend register with your link, you earn a commission from these people, which will go to your promotion account, and that one can be withdrawn anytime, and any amount that is there can be withdrawn. Thank you for watching this, and if you know this is good and recommended to you as what you are looking for, give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends for it to go. Share it to a friend to also share to another friend to share to another friend for this video to go viral. Thank you. Now if you know you are someone who like betting, you should always write download 1xBet and use the promo code GaddafiBet. So when you use this promo code GaddafiBet, you earn 100% of your deposit, which is going to be 2 times of what you have deposited. So you use it for your betting. I don't recommend betting to my viewers, but if you know you are already in betting and you want more money to bet, that is the only way you can do it. Thank you, and you are always welcome.